The original glass on this truck, there's really no gap for you to put a cold knife in between to cut. So I guess using a small string like this, yeah, something like this to cut through the glue. So attach a thin rope to a suction cup, and then you can pull the rope from the outside. So we finally cut out the old glass, and look how
rusted.
The molding, the track, the frame, the line is so rusted because the previous person that installed the glass didn't put primer. So that's why over time the metal get rusted. We're removing the old glue, so you want to trim it down as much as you can, and we will apply primer in this case. As you can see, the previous installation didn't do a good job. There's a lot of rust around the frame, so that means that whoever did it didn't apply primer. So after we clean the old glue and cut it down to a thin layer, we're gonna help this customer apply primer. We're applying primer around the edges because this car has a lot of rust, and if you don't apply primer, the new glue won't stick too well, and in a few years it'll rust again. So it's best to apply primer. If you see metal showing, here is in really bad condition after we took out the old glass. So right here especially, you need to apply primer, and you can tell the difference once we apply a layer of primer. So after the primer, we're gonna test the glass. Just place the glass on the opening, the frame, and to make sure that it's a good fit before you apply new glue. Otherwise, once you apply new glue and if it's not correct and you try to pull it out, it will be a mess. Apply a suction cup on the glass and carefully put the top first. And then the bottom. You want to put a blue tape on the glass so you can temporarily hold the glass in position, so you can adjust the precision to even with the body. As you can see, right here popped up a little. So when we press this section down, because the glue is holding it, so we're gonna make adjustment right now.